That's why we always invite somebody who has nothing to do with design. The question about being inclusive of people who are outside the discipline of design is so valuable. I think the concept that creativity is owned by the creative people is just wrong. I think everyone has equal amounts of creativity. Somebody might have more creative skills. They might have more visual talent. They may have something else. I always laugh because they always talk about the creative accountant, right? Creative accounting. It's like, you would think that the numbers are the numbers. What's creative accounting? But it exists. And what we found is that with Unilever, what we were addressing was bucket washing. Laundry is the second largest consumer of water next to agriculture. And Unilever, being the largest producer of laundry detergent, said, with the water shortage in the world, what can we do to help that problem? And so we took it and said, well, if you're using 4 or 5 gallon buckets of water, how do you get it down to 1 bucket? We're spoiled. We use washing machines, right? But you go to the rest of the world, they might have 4 buckets, right? 1 bucket's to wet the clothes, another bucket's got soap, another bucket's to rinse once, another bucket's to rinse again, and then you wring it out and you hang it up. And as we started talking and exploring, because in the room we had PhD scientists from all over the world, we had marketeers from all over the world, we had engineers, we had people who were from the factory, we just had a diverse range of people. And one of the scientists, he was actually from Bangalore, India, he says, I filed a patent last year on a flocculation pill. And he says, if you could make a custom bucket, we could, after you're done with the wash, take this pill and add it, and it would coagulate the detergent into a film. And you could pour the water out into your garden, mix it in with your soil. It actually will help retain the moisture in your soil. And therefore, you could do all your laundry in 1 bucket. That's why we always invite the accountants in. Somebody who has nothing to do with design, but has everything to do with design, because that person could have a brilliant idea. I say great ideas really do come from everywhere.